Hi, I'm Marcus, a product manager at RYOBI. I'm really delighted to show you our new OnePlus Benchtop lineup for 2022. Utilizing the class-leading RYOBI battery and motor technology, these benchtop tools are designed to deliver quarter-like performance wherever you need to get the job done, be it in the garden, workshop, or in the back of this van. To kick things off, we have the OnePlus 190mm compound sliding miter saw. This saw is compact and it weighs less than 10 kilos. It also has carrying handles on both sides for easy portability to work sites. Despite its size, the saw delivers 3,600 RPM, as well as 45mm by 250mm cross-cut capacity, allowing you to make straight, bevel, miter, or compound cuts in a variety of materials. It also has a dust port to fit onto any OnePlus vacuum for cleaner workspaces. And the supplied 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade maximizes performance for clean and accurate cuts every time. Up next, we have the most powerful miter saw in the entire OnePlus system, the HP brushless 254mm compound sliding miter saw. The saw features a high-performance brushless motor, delivering 4,200 RPM to cut through hardwoods like butter, as well as a class-leading 90mm by 300mm cross-cut capacity, meaning you can slice through a railway sleeper or other large dimensional lumber in one single cut. There are 12 integrated miter dedents to help you with a quick and accurate setup for making a variety of common miter angles, either left or right. Typically, the 22.5 degrees is for common miter cuts for crown molding. 30 or 45 degrees are for interior trims, such as skirting boards. And 48-degree miter cuts are handy in locations where the walls are slightly out of a square. The saw also makes bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Like the 190mm miter saw, this saw is also supplied with a 40-tooth carbide-tipped blade to deliver the best cutting performance. The final benchtop tool I want to show you is the HP brushless 165mm plunge saw. It's the best OnePlus tool when it comes to making long and accurate rip cuts. On one hand, it's much faster to set up and more accurate than a circular saw. On the other hand, it's much lighter and compact to move around than a table saw. The downward-facing blade also makes it less intimidating to operate. This saw is really perfect for those long rip cuts. The saw features a high-performance brushless motor for making fast cuts in materials with a thickness up to 54mm. The toolless depth adjustment dial allows the correct setting of cutting depth on the workpiece, while the smooth plunge mechanism and auxiliary handle provides the fine control during cuts. The additional scoring stop feature enables easy scoring cuts in laminated materials such as worktops. It can also make bevel cuts from -1 up to 48 degrees with bevel indents, ideal for those commonly used angles. The saw is supplied with two 70cm low-friction guide rails and a material clamp for quick and easy setup, as well as a premium 165mm carbide-tipped blade to deliver clean and accurate cuts. So those are our new benchtop tools. RYOBI really is taking a step further with innovative technologies and bringing these traditionally AC-powered benchtop tools into the OnePlus range, give you even more freedom for your projects. Thank you so much for listening.